Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So this week I wanted to give you a quick demonstration on how to make a business card design in Canva in less than 5 minutes. And, did I mention, completely free. Let's get to it. So step 1, if you don't know already, log into your Canva account. It's a free account you can create. And once you do that, you want to go on the templates, business, and select a logo. Alright, so this is your home page on Canva. Go to templates, business, and logo. So we'll click into that, and like we did before last week, where we were designing a business logo template, we are doing something similar for the business card template. So take a look and see what resonates with you. Okay, well, there's quite a lot of templates, so what I would encourage you to do is find something that is suitable for your business. So last week we tried something along the lines of attorneys or law firms, so we'll go with that again this week. So under the attorney and law logo templates, we're going to just take a quick browse. I wouldn't spend too much time here. What you want to do, oh, I'm terribly sorry, we want templates, business card, not logo. Logo is what we did last week. Apologies for that. So you go to templates, business, and business card. And like we did before, find something that's suitable to your business. There's so many for you to choose from. Last week we did something along the lines of attorney and law, so let's stick with the lawyer. So what you want to do is smash that thumbs up button, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment if you don't mind, and let's keep going with this. So under the lawyer business card templates, take a quick look and see what catches your eye. I like this one. It's nice and plain. You know, it's striking. So click into that and have a look at the template. And if you decide to choose a different color scheme, these are the suggested colored pairings. So, you know, it's all the ones that they've used here. All right. And they even tell you what fonts they've used. Now, now under this one, you can actually take a look at other suggested templates. You definitely want to take a look at these suggested templates, but for now, we're just going to go with this one. So I'll click on use this template. Now, what you'll notice is there's two sides to this template, okay? This is the front, this is the back, all right? So the very first thing you want to do, let's make it a little bigger, is, you know, change the title to suit your business, all right? So undo that, select the whole thing and call it law firm, legal eagles, and law firm. Just call it something that's appropriate for your business, and obviously you'll need to go with your name, and you may want to put legal associate, or perhaps you're the partner of the legal firm, and naturally you'll need to update this, okay? And this will be the back of your business card. So there we go. If you wanted to customize this further, feel free, you know, play around with different color schemes, play around with the wording, the font. You can try something like that. But I think the important thing is don't spend too much time on this. Get something going and ask a few people what they think about it. Okay? Once you're done, what you want to do is, well, you don't have to print the business cards here. You can if you want to. I think Canva offers that. But what you can do is download it to PDF, JPEG, PNG, whatever your local printers require, okay? So you'll need to select that according to what they need. A couple of items to consider is the bleed. Your local printers might cut off the edge at some point if they're cutting it, if they are printing it and cutting the edge. So the bleed is something to consider. And the other thing is to make sure you have enough of a pop on the color scheme. So you don't want something too light. So for example, this one's black. I believe it's black or very dark color. So this color, you don't want it to be too dark. You want it to be, you know, you want it. So for example, if I chose this one, you can't really see the word partner, right? Unless you change the font on that. So what you'll need to do is make sure, whoever you're using to print your cards have the right color scheme, and they also, and you also need to make sure that the background and the color scheme that you choose for the words pop out sufficiently without it being too awkward. Okay, and that's it. So in under 5 minutes, you can design your own business card in Canva completely for free. And I shall see you in the next video.